Malema's legal battle continues in a high-stakes legal showdown at the Kugompo City Regional Court.
Julius has been sentenced to 5 years in prison for the unlawful discharge of a firearm during a 2018 party rally.
While magistrate delivered a stern judgment, dismissing the defense's claim that the weapon was a toy and emphasizing the danger posed to the public, the commander-in-chief won't be heading to a cell just yet. Within minutes of the sentencing,
Julius' legal team successfully applied for leave to appeal, allowing him to remain out on bail while the matter moves to a higher court.
This legal lifeline is critical for the EFF's future if the 5-year term is ultimately upheld. Their leader would be constitutionally barred from serving as a lawmaker, potentially shaking the very foundations of the country's fourth largest political party.
Mm-hmm.